Hello everyone, and welcome to Tobelmann Creations. This video will be the first video of a 5-part video series. I am rejuvenating 3 small glass top patio tables. I'm going to spray paint the frames and do some epoxy art on the glass tops. This video will be the first of the series, and it will show how to dismantle the tables, how I spray painted them, and the reassembly of the tables. There are 3 other videos of the epoxy art being done, and 1 video of applying the clear coat of epoxy. You can find them all on my YouTube channel. I hope you enjoy them. Without further ado, let's get started. First thing I have to do is take it apart. And this one, as you see, it had notches, 4 notches where these 4 can come up out of it. So I have to twist it, and then I can pull this up, and boom, it comes out. Now to get the glass out, sometimes this can be tricky. Bring it up, give it a little spin, and it came right out. I'll clean that up with alcohol, and then we'll be ready to pour it. Right. Now we're going to be painting the frame to the small patio table. We have the rim and the legs. I'm going to start off with the rim, just doing the bottom, so it's time to dry while I do the legs, and I'll flip it over and do the top. So let's get started. I'm using Rust-Oleum metallic in flat burnished amber. I already sanded these down and cleaned them off, and they're ready to go. Here we go. And that's that. That's the bottom. Set that aside. Now we're going to do the underneath of the legs first, and then flip them over and do the top. That looks pretty good. Now I'm going to turn it over. And get the other side. Make sure you shake your can. Set it aside. I'll bring the frame back up, flip it over, and do the other side. Now that should be good. I'd like to thank my buddy Tony for doing the video on this, and I'll see you when I put the tables back together. Okay, now's the time I've been waiting for to put these patio tables back together. So I have them all ready. This is the frame for the top here. So I'll turn it upside down. I'll take the top, flip it over, maneuver it in here, and it goes in. Now I'll take the legs, line them up with the notches, pop it in, twist this to lock in the tabletop, and that's about it. And that's my completed table. I'll do the other two, see the finished product. Very nice.